Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, County in southeastern Pennsylvania, West Central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 11:45 p.m. At 10:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Leonardsville to near Wyomissing, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Bethlehem, Pottstown, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Northampton, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Fleetwood, Sinking Spring, Laureldale, East Greenville, Bath, Tofton, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Valley, Bechtelsville, and Lyons. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 48 and 66. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 34 and 60. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 5 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm